You speak way too fast, and that is the exact reason why people have a hard time processing whatever you're saying. Even I used to speak fast. I used to explain everything in one breath, in one single breath, because I thought that if I speak fast, I'd look sharp, I'd look intelligent. But instead, when I was speaking fast, people sitting there listening were having a hard time processing what I was saying. They kept asking me to repeat myself. Himesh, can you repeat yourself? I didn't get what you just said. It was asinine until I lowered my pace and started speaking. I took constant pauses between sentences and started speaking. Doing this gave people some time to think about what I was saying, to process what I was saying, which made my points land better and the conversations felt clearer. So the next time you speak, slow down your pace by 30%, take constant pauses between sentences, and then speak. You will be flabbergasted at how clear your speech sounds. If you're someone who is serious about mastering communication, I have built a 60-day communication training program called as Communication Mastery Mechanics. Click the link in my bio and join right now.